My name is Michael Swaby. I am a coconut farmer. The Coconut Industry Board had nominated me along with probably another farmer or two, I think, and I was selected to represent Jamaica. It was shocking, hard to believe. I didn't have an idea that I would be even close to competing with them. The most important part of it is to get the highlights. Business is a little bit booming a little bit more, and people are seeing what I am doing. Even though I'm hidden, I'm exposed. When I was about 17 years old, I left school. We came here. Most of the land was in woods, total woods, so we had to cut it down, and then after we cut it down, banana and coconut was the most feasible crop in St. Mary at that particular time. So we venture into banana, and then later we do both banana and coconuts. We do intercropping with most of the farm. We do a little livestock, chickens, goats, pigs as well, and we do like ground provision as well, cocoa, dasheen, banana. Those crops are very suitable to the environment in this particular zone in St. Mary. The Coconut Industry Board, along with CARDI, the European Union, and SRC, they had a coconut development across the Caribbean region about in 2016. So we started doing some training, some workshops, some like looking at what other countries are doing, and from there I taught most of what I used to do and then start following the practices that they were teaching. So I started doing things differently from then. Some of the training that we got was to use everything back from the nut. So that was one of my basic concerns, to make money from your waste. So I don't try to waste anything. I do coconut oil, I do coconut water, even the very husk. As I cut, I pack them back on the lines of the farm, like further up in the farm, and I use them back for a potted mix. So we sell them back after they break down to compost, so we sell them as compost material. We have water in the center of the farm. We dig fish ponds, and we use that water when the time is a little bit not dry. As you can see, the pipes are in. So once the time gets dry, we start irrigation. Finding more market in those areas, like cutting the coconuts and pouring it and taking it to the houses, is a more viable way of selling the coconuts. So I venture into that area, into those markets in St. Anne's, and they're growing very well. Vista de la Mar, Country Club, the Palms, Quest, and Poolshade as well. So we're doing very well in those areas where we cut coconuts for the residents and so on. I was selected as a lead farmer based on the status that I had in coconuts, the production that I had, and the farm conditions and all that. So I was selected to be a lead farmer in my community, to kind of interact with the farmers, try to pull them in, get them to motivate them and all that. Every month we do meet, and we do have our regular meetings. People discuss, we share ideas and all that. So that is a part of the whole process. We are just learning a little bit more and more each time, so I think we'll get there. But we just need a little more motivation, and keep the motivational spirit going on, which is happening.